Hello, today we're going to review the registration process for the Gravity Protocol blockchain. In order to do so, open the link wallet.gravityprotocol.org on your computer. Next, select the button Create Wallet. Now you'll need to create a password for your wallet and select the Submit button. In the next step, the site asks you to move your mouse in order to generate a unique brain key. Once you have that unique brain key, please save it. Now double-check that you definitely saved your brain key. Then among the words listed, find the words 2, 4, 8, and 12 in order in our brain key. Select Confirm. Next, you will see 3 tick marks. Select the first tick mark. Then we need to confirm that we understand the fact that our wallet, as well as private keys and tokens that are stored in our wallet, are only saved on our machine, and that there are no other copies saved to the servers. By selecting the second mark, we give our agreement to send anonymous data to improve the platform. The third mark prompts you to make a backup copy. As you can see, it's not required to make a backup copy, but it is better to do so just in case. All that's left to do is select the button Get Started. As you can see, the backup copy is downloaded immediately. Now you're able to use any of the available wallet functions. And on that note, we're finished for today. All the links will be included in the description. Until next time.